ओके सर।
सो अभी हम क्या पढ़ रहे थे? हाँ, वी वर डिस्कसिंग ग्लूकोजीनोसिस, ग्लूकोजेनेसिस। ग्लूको हम सबको लिखते भी जाते हैं आपको एक तरफ से, glucogenesis. Okay, so glucogenesis is the formation of glucose from other precursor non-carbohydrate molecules. Okay, that is called glucogenesis. You will say that, okay, the formation of glucose in the plant will also called as glucogenesis. So how will this? Okay, but the glucogenesis is happening in animals in which alanine, certain amino acids gets converted into glucose whenever you have the energy requirement. Suppose some person is on high protein diet and he is not taking carbohydrate. So what will happen? Amino acids will provide the energy. Okay, their nitrogen balance will get disturbed. Okay, so this is glucogenesis, means synthesis of glucose from other precursor molecules. And second is glycogenesis. As the name indicates, the synthesis of glycogen. Okay, synthesis of glycogen from, तो glycogen का precursor molecule कौन होगा? Which molecule will be the precursor for the glycogen synthesis?
सर ग्लाइकोजन ही ना होगा।
If I say that this is the precursor molecule, then what do you get by that term? तुम लोग कैसे नंबर लाए हो यार? पहले बताओ हमको सही से। Precursor means what? What do you get? What do you understand by the precursor molecules?
सर वो जो रोकता है रिएक्शन को वही। Which inhibits the reaction, sir?
हे भगवान, precursor molecule means
नहीं, that precursor had something happened before something else.
You can say that the glucose is the precursor molecule of glycogen. Many glucose molecules will combine, join together, and it will become a long polysaccharide chain, and that will be called as glycogen. So glycogen precursor मतलब होता है कि उसका उस चीज को, मतलब टूटी फूटी भाषा में कह लो कि उसको बनाने में, जैसे फॉर ए मकान, फॉर ए कंस्ट्रक्शन, cement, bricks, sand, these are the precursor of things. Okay, so the precursor molecule for the glycogen is glucose. Have you got my point?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
The next term which I told you was what? Glyconeogenesis. Glyconeogenesis. अब देखिए आप फिर है, नहीं, इससे पहले आप समझो इसको। ग्लाइकोजेनेसिस हो गया ना, ग्लाइकोजिनोलाइसिस, ग्लाइकोजिनोलाइसिस। Glycogenolysis means breakdown of glycogen into glucose. Okay, ग्लाइकोजन का सिंथेसिस इज ग्लाइकोजेनेसिस फ्रॉम ग्लूकोज, और उल्टा इसका, ग्लाइकोजेनेसिस का उल्टा ग्लाइकोजिनोलाइसिस, ब्रेकडाउन ऑफ ग्लाइकोजन इनटू ग्लूकोज। ठीक है। एंड द नेक्स्ट टर्म इज ग्लाइकोनियोजेनेसिस, और इसी से एक और मिलता जुलता टर्म है। इस दोनों लगभग एक जैसा है, लेकिन थोड़ा सा इसमें अंतर है, नहीं तो आप कंफ्यूज करोगे। ग्लूकोनियोजेनेसिस, है ना। अब देखिए, ये तीनों तो समझ में आ गया आपको। ग्लूकोजेनेसिस मीन्स सिंथेसिस ऑफ ग्लूकोज फ्रॉम अदर carbohydrate, from other non-carbohydrate precursor molecules. Glycogenesis is the synthesis of glycogen from glucose. Glycogenolysis is the breakdown of glycogen into glucose molecules. Glycogenolysis, glyconeogenesis and gluconeogenesis. These two are little different. Means when glucose will be synthesized from other, mute कर लो, साल नहीं, mute it, नहीं समझते हो तुम लोग। When will you develop this etiquette? When non-carbohydrate carbon substrate, example lactate, glycerol, or other amino acids like alanine, glutamine, oxaloacetate, if that gets converted into glucose, then that is called as gluconeogenesis. And if that glucose get converted into glycogen, then that whole process means from the precursor molecule, which are non-carbohydrate carbon substrate, example lactate, glycerol, alanine, glutamine, etc., etc., from that to glucose, and from glucose to glycogen, then that process will be called as glyconeogenesis. I hope you have got this point. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So see the syllabus. What is there in the syllabus? First, we will learn about the biochemistry, basic biochemistry we will learn. First bullet is structure and classification of amino acids, structure of proteins, यहाँ छुप गया, structure and classification of carbohydrates with special reference to mono and disaccharides and hemoglycan polysaccharides. Structure and classification of fatty acids, structure and classification of lipids. पहले हम इस फर्स्ट बुलेट को खत्म करेंगे। खत्म करने का मतलब फिनिश करेंगे, सीखेंगे। तो इसमें देखिए तीन चीज है आपका। आप लोगों को मेरी बात समझ में आ रही है? मेरी आवाज आ रही है आप लोगों तक?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
यहाँ पर आप
Yes,
देखते हैं,
sir.
ये कह रहा है अमाइनो एसिड के बारे में भी जानिए, कार्बोहाइड्रेट के बारे में भी जानिए, और लिपिड के बारे में भी जानिए। जो आपके, फिर से भैया म्यूट कर दिया कीजिए, आप लोग एक बार बोलते हैं तो तुरंत बोलना खत्म हो, म्यूट। ओके ओके। देखिए कार्बोहाइड्रेट भी है, अमाइनो एसिड भी है, लिपिड भी है। तो पहले हम लोग कार्बोहाइड्रेट, इसमें कार्बोहाइड्रेट पढ़ेंगे, उसके बाद अमाइनो एसिड्स पर आएंगे, फिर लिपिड पर आएंगे। तो पहले हम लोग पढ़ेंगे आपका स्ट्रक्चर,
Yes, sir.
स्ट्रक्चर एंड क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स। ठीक है, विथ स्पेशल रेफरेंस टू मोनो एंड डाइसैकराइड। तो इसमें भी कह रहा है कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स बहुत तरह के होते हैं, तो हम आप लोगों को पढ़ना है मोनो और डाइसेक्राइड कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स के बारे में ज्यादातर। आप लोग कुछ मोनोसेक्राइड्स का नाम बता सकते हैं? बता सकते हो आराम
Sir, aldose and ketose, sir.
Aldoses and ketoses are two different classes of carbohydrates. Okay, समझ में आई बात? Aldoses and
Sir,
ketoses.
galactose, fructose.
Galactose, fructose. See, first of all, you should
Right.
understand it like division is like this. Okay, if a 3-carbon sugar is there, 3-carbon compound sugar is there, then that is called as triose. 3 कार्बन है उसमें, ठीक है। 4 कार्बन सुगर है तो टेट्रोज, 5 कार्बन सुगर है तो पेंटोज। दीज आर ऑल मोनोसेक्राइड्स। Monosaccharide means sugar. Sugar means the substance which gives you the taste of the sweetness. These are the substances, naturally occurring substances. This gives you sweet taste. That's why these are called as saccharides. But these saccharides are monosaccharides when the unit is 1. Suppose if the unit is made up of 3 carbon, then this is triose. 5 carbon, then this is pentose. 6 carbon, then hexose. And all these categories, there can be aldoses and ketoses because these
Heptose or iptose, sir.
okay, so you can name it. You can name pentose sugar. but नाम बताइए pentose sugar.
Yes, sir.
pentose का नाम बताइए.
Ribose sugar, sir.
Yes, the sugar present in DNA and RNA, ribose and
Ribose, sir. Yes, sir. Glucose, C6H, 2
yes, these are the pentoses. Glucose, fructose, galactose, okay, mannose, these are the
Yes, sir.
hexoses.
Ribose.
Collective, ribose is a pentose. Collectively, these all are monosaccharide only. Whether it is ribose or deoxyribose or glucose, hexose, glucose हो गया या fructose है, these are
Galactose.
yeah, galactose. Galactose, you will find the source where it is found. Okay, ribose and deoxyriboses are found in DNA and RNA. Hexoses, common hexose, glucose is found in plants. They are made by the plants. If it is in alpha form, the polymer is in alpha form, then that is starch. And if the bond between two glucose molecules is of beta type, then that is cellulose. And you do not have enzyme to digest to break this bond, cellulose. Okay, and these are the, suppose 2 monosaccharide units are joined, then that is called as disaccharides. Maltose is a disaccharide. When 2 glucose units are bound together in alpha form, then that is called as maltose.
Lactose, sucrose, or maltose.
Yes, lactose, sucrose is,
or maltose.
yes.
Yes, sir.
Maltose is found in plants. Okay, when you digest your food substance,
Yes,
suppose if you have eaten potato, आलू बहुत पसंद है आप लोगों को, potato, you have eaten potato or rice. So rice, potato, these are the rich source of starch. Starch is the polymer of glucose. So this starch will be broken down into the disaccharides, maltose, glucose units to disaccharide. And again, maltose will be digested by the maltase enzyme present in your gut into individual glucose monosaccharide units. So maltase you obtain from the plant source. Lactose you obtain from milk, as the name indicates, lactase. And sucrose also you obtain from plant. So we will come across while we will study in detail this carbohydrate chapter of your syllabus. Okay. So I'll bind up quickly here. So this is just an introductory part of your syllabus. So after that we will learn, see here it is written hemoglycan polysaccharides. Okay. So you will,
Yes, sir.
you will learn monosaccharides, disaccharides, and hemoglycan also. Hemoglycan, heteroglycan, these two types of polysaccharides. This is nothing but hemoglycan is that when this polysaccharide is made up of only one type of unit, then that time it is called as hemoglycan. Suppose starch and glycogen are hemoglycans. Okay, because these are made up of
Yes, sir.
only glucose, alpha glucose, D glucose. ठीक है, अब देखिए
Yes, sir.
उसके
Sir,
बाद
what is mucopolysaccharide?
म्यूकोपॉलीसैकेराइड्स, बहुत बढ़िया सवाल किया आपने। म्यूकोपॉलीसैकेराइड्स are the type of heteropolysaccharides. Okay, polysaccharides are not always found alone. Many times polysaccharides are attached to lipids also. Lipid molecule will, there is a macromolecule, and in that macromolecule lipid component will be there, covalently joined with the carbohydrate component. Okay, sometimes carbohydrate component is covalently joined with the protein peptide chain. So that time it is a glycoprotein and a special kind of polysaccharide. Okay, in which there is a branched
Yes, sir.
network form is there. Some part is lipid also, some part is proteinaceous. That is the mucopolysaccharide, which is found in your mucosal lining. It gives a slippery texture to it. Have I answered your question? Detailed
sir.
structure of the mucopolysaccharide we will learn when we will study the carbohydrate chapter. तो सबसे बड़ा आपका कार्बोहाइड्रेट का कंपोनेंट, क्योंकि जब हम कार्बोहाइड्रेट पढ़ेंगे तो उसी समय अमाइनो एसिड और लिपिड को थोड़ा साइड में रख देंगे, कार्बोहाइड्रेट पढ़ लेंगे, उसके बाद आ जाएंगे सेकेंड में मेटाबॉलिज्म ऑफ कार्बोहाइड्रेट, ग्लाइकोलाइसिस, क्रेब्स साइकिल, ग्लूकोजेनेसिस, ग्लाइकोजिनोलाइसिस, ये चारों फटाफट पढ़ लेंगे तो ये पूरा कार्बोहाइड्रेट खत्म हो जाएगा। उसके बाद हम लोग अमाइनो एसिड पढ़ेंगे, स्ट्रक्चर फंक्शन प्रोटीन का, तो एक लेक्चर में ये खत्म हो जाएगा। फिर लिपिड का पढ़ेंगे, लिपिड खत्म हो जाएगा। फिर एक लेक्चर में विटामिन पढ़ा देंगे, विटामिन खत्म हो जाएगा। तो एक इस तरह से हम लोग पढ़ेंगे। ओके, सो योर नेक्स्ट क्लास विल हैपन
Okay, sir.
after some day because I'm not still well. So after 27th or 28th, I will start taking all classes again, and I will update you on the Telegram channel. Unfortunately, your WhatsApp group formation has not been successful. So you will have to dependent on the Telegram channel. There I will update the.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Chalo, take care.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Bye, sir. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, sir.
Take care. Bye bye. Sabak hai.
Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir.